琴日作文有啲咩題材出咗 ？blog entry、letter to the editor、leaflet、story。你估下聽日出咩？啊，有一個好似冇出過喎。report 如果佢爆冷，另外一個樣係點嘅？呢個係 after 個 event 啊嘛。另外一個同佢差唔多樣嘅係 proposal。proposal 係 before 個 event， 可能你個老闆會叫你集合晒資料，跟住就整個 proposal 俾個 committee 去 vet 啊，調翻轉咪又係呢個，就冇見到就好驚啊，唔識啊咁樣咯，即係呢個嚟嘅啫。OK， 主要嘅分別係咩 ？report 係 past tense，proposal 咧一定唔係 past tense 啊 ，proposal 係未做噶嘛，我哋想 plan 去做嘛，咁所以你呢度應該你唔好同我用 past tense 寫啦，應該 present tense 啊，或者你用 future tense 都得。呢個 present tense 咧會加埋 passive， 點解啊？It is suggested that， 咁你會 formal 啲。